What's up guys, Sal here. So someone managed to get his hands on a Galaxy S9 and shared some interesting specifics surrounding some upcoming S9 features. An anonymous Reddit user supposedly spent 20 minutes of hands-on time with a very close to production Galaxy S9. He posted an Ask Me Anything thread, or also known as AMA, in which he took questions and answered them over the course of more than 12 hours. He then deleted its responses after these details initially hit the press. This in itself is always a good tell, as only sources with genuine information have reason to cover their tracks. I've taken a detailed look on the thread and summed up everything that you need to know. First and foremost, the user reaffirms that the new Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are nearly identical to the S8 and S8 Plus. The guy says the S9 doesn't have a noticeably thicker side bezels, just matte instead of glossy finish there. He said he was really so surprised at the fact that it looked like he was holding an S8. It's that similar. The user also confirmed a recent rumor that the Galaxy S9 has stereo speakers, one in the earpiece and a second at the bottom of the phone, as well as the presence of a standard headphone jack. He says the sound is a major improvement compared to Samsung's current Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. The Redditor also had good things to say about the Galaxy S9's camera, which offered dramatically improved photo quality as well as 4K video support at higher frame rates. He also provided details related to the heavily anticipated variable aperture camera setup for the S9. Samsung will provide the feature on both the S9 and S9 Plus and refer it as dual aperture. He did note that 1000 fps slow motion is not supported though, but considering the fact that it was a Snapdragon 845 model and not a finalized version, things might change. Finally, the Reddit user shed some additional light on the upcoming 3D emoji feature. According to him, it's not a one-to-one copy of Animoji, instead offering a slightly different user experience that is apparently better in some ways. It's more like a mix between Animoji and Bitmoji. You create an avatar and can control its facial features. He didn't say anything about the price though, but mentioned that the freebies that Samsung throws with the S9 may take a surprising turn compared to previous S9 launches in the United States. So having said that, you should keep in mind that 20 minutes is not sufficient to adapt a user for comfortable long-term use. But luckily, we're only a week away from the launch, so we'll know what we want to know on February 25th. And subscribe for daily content like this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.